Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off location services on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Security and Privacy. Click Privacy from the top menu bar. Then click the padlock icon in the bottom left to unlock the settings. Use Touch ID or click Use Password and enter your Mac password. Click Unlock. Click Location Services from the left sidebar menu. Then uncheck the checkbox to the left of Enable Location Services. Click Turn Off on the pop-up that appears. Location Services is now switched off on your Mac. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.